Son of a bitch. It's happening. So, motor's going to be here on Monday. Here's the old motor. I wonder what I should sell this thing for. 150 bucks ish. I don't know. Anyways, just wanted to update you guys and let you know how easy it was to take this engine off. And hopefully how easy it is to put the new one on. So I didn't replace the upper engine bolt, but I just don't trust it. The bottom one broke, so here's the one I got at the hardware store. So I think I'm going to replace that here and here. Man, just from taking off the shift link and a few harnesses, the 2 bolts, it was super easy to take this engine off. So just wanted to kind of give everybody an update on how, it probably took me maybe a couple hours, and that's just like with stopping and really taking my time, taking all the plastic off and everything. So, shit, 900 bucks shipped to your house. It's definitely a thing to do. So hopefully it's a big power increase. We'll see on Monday. I had to order another shift cable. Obviously, I fucking cut this piece of shit off. It was so terrible. So hard to shift. So I'll link the new shift cable in the description and keep you guys updated. So definitely Monday I'll be putting the new engine in. I won't be able to drive it because I cut the damn shift cable. But Wednesday for sure I'll be doing a riding video. So just stay tuned.